Thought I'd show you what I use to record all my videos with. This is a Call of Duty tactical camera that I bought off eBay for 20 bucks. I now have two of them. They also come with adapters to where you can put them on your scope or your bow. But I've just been amazed at the quality of the 1080i video that this little $20 Call of Duty camera does for 20 bucks off eBay. You can't beat it. Self-contained battery. You pop that up, your SD card goes in there, and your cord goes in there. I have hunted in the rain with it without an issue, but there is no display. There is a lock right there, but I've been tickled to death with it. It's well worth the $20, and you just throw it in your pocket. It lasts about an hour and a half, takes about an hour to charge up. Unless you have a really big SD card or micro SD card like what's in the cell phone, it will probably fill up the memory before the battery runs dead. But anyways, that's what I've been using. $20 camera. No reason to buy a GoPro.